Hi friends, welcome to SSCG Electrical. In this video, I would like to talk about a latest update regarding SSCJE. Regarding SSCJE, the number of vacancies for each post has been given. See here, this is the 19th October update. And before going to this, just let me explain. And for southern regions, admit card related data updated. Regarding southern region means that is Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Puducherry. For these four regions, regarding admit card, some data has been updated. You can know your roll number and time and date and city of the examination, and the list of rejected applications can be seen. See here. For the southern regions, this is for Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. For these four regions only, that is for southern regions, this update regarding. Okay. Candidate name, you have to write your name here. As per your 10th class mark sheet, you have to write your name and you have to enter your default, it will show some date of birth. You have to enter your date of birth and then click on this. Know your roll number, time, date, shift and place of examination. When you click on this, you will get one page. In this way, you will get the page. Okay. So, your roll number will appear here and the name of the candidate will appear and the date of birth, father name and registration number and date of the examination, on which date you are going to write your SSCJE 2019 exam. Date will appear here, and moreover on which shift, whether morning shift or afternoon shift, shift 1, shift 2, like that it will be shown. Reporting time is 1:30 p.m. 3 to 5, this is second shift. 3 to 5 p.m. is second shift, and stream on which branch you belongs to, that is electrical, mechanical or civil, will appear here, and the place of examination, on which examination center you are going to write the exam, will be shown here. This is regarding southern region. See, this is regarding southern region. Southern region, Chennai is the headquarters. For the southern region, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Puducherry and Tamil Nadu. For these four regions, this update regarding, and list of rejected applications also can be checked here. Okay. And after this, let me explain the recent update. Okay. Recent update regarding vacancies given. See here, tentative vacancies of junior engineering for civil, mechanical and electrical. See the number of vacancies given for the each post. For the electrical, mechanical and civil, these vacancies allotted. These are the tentative vacancies. They may increase or decrease the vacancies. Probably they will increase, they won't decrease at this moment. See here, for electrical and mechanical, for junior engineering, for electrical and mechanical, only male candidates only eligible for this. For this, the vacancies are given in this way. 80 total vacancies are 80 marks. Okay, that is 80 vacancies are there. This exam is for 200 marks and here 80 vacancies for junior engineer, electrical and mechanical. For civil engineering, 417 vacancies, more number of vacancies civil. For every year you can see more number of vacancies regarding civil, and for mechanical only 4 vacancies. Okay. Regarding Central Water Commission, for civil there is a 50 vacancies. For CPWD 52 vacancies. Regarding electrical, there is a 52 vacancies, and in this also electrical is eligible. Here 80 vacancies, and you see 80 vacancies, electrical, mechanical 80 vacancies given here, and regarding electrical here 52 vacancies, and regarding defense there is a 3 vacancies, 3, 52 and 80, all these related to electrical. And moreover for civil there is a huge number of vacancies, 417 vacancies. For SC 62, ST 31, OBC 112, economically weaker section C 41, for general category 171, and total 417 vacancies for civil engineering. For electrical mechanical common, this one 80 vacancies, and here 52 vacancies only for electrical and junior engineering, here the 3 vacancies. So, these are the tentative vacancies. They may increase the vacancies or decrease the vacancies based on the requirement. As of now, they won't decrease the vacancies, there is a chance to increase the vacancies. And those who are preparing for this exam, because to JEE SSC JEE 2020 examination dates also given, that is for SSC JEE 2019 the examination that is from 27 to 30 of this October month, and for SSC JEE 2020 they have given the dates, that is March 22 to 25. So those who are preparing for this exam, they have another chance to crack SSC JEE 2020 also, as it is very near. This preparation will be helpful for that. Okay, and these are the tentative vacancies, and the examination is very near because 27 to 30 given. There is a viral news regarding the postponement of these exams also. Regarding Bihar, they are going to conduct exam in December, so many of the people are showing their objections and raising their objections in emails and YouTubes and Twitter accounts. So there may be some news regarding that, they may announce, because as the examination dates already given, there is a very less chance to postpone the exam. But regarding Bihar, in the Supreme Court, public interest litigation also placed, so they may take some decision regarding SSC JEE 2019 exam, and hope for the best and prepare well for this exam. And before, as the exam is very near, it is always better to prepare previous papers. Always better to prepare previous papers regarding SSC JEE, last 5 to 6 years or last 10 years. Previous papers regarding MADESY or GK publications, you can follow any book, and previous papers, just practice them and practice the models. Most of the models are repetitive in nature in SSC JEE, and for reasoning, most of the models are very repetitive, and only if you prepare a general awareness and technical session, it will be very useful for getting good score in this exam. Okay, regarding syllabus and previous questions, I already discussed in previous videos. You can go through it. Okay, in the playlist there is a some videos regarding this. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video with your friends. Thank you.